how to remove and replace the hood prop struts on a 2018 Audi S5. You're first going to start off by getting your tool, which is a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead and grab your screwdriver, and these are the clips you're going to move backwards. Now before you remove the strut, what I want you to do is hold the hood open with the hood prop, because if you remove one of the shocks, the hood can fall because it's really heavy. So now that you have that in place, you can remove your hood struts by popping them out, just like that. And now at the bottom, there is a plastic piece that you pop up by either putting the screwdriver underneath it and popping it up, or just with your fingers. With your fingers, a little bit safer for the paint. Now, the same style design of clip is at the bottom here. So you're going to just remove that by pushing out on it, just like that. Okay? Now, when you install the new hood prop, you're going to install it. The clip, you're going to just push it in. You're going to put this back on, and now you're going to go to the top. Now, imagine it's a brand new hood prop. It's going to come exactly like it is here, where the clip is a little bit out. Now, sometimes they will come in like that. That's completely fine if they are already inserted, the clip is. All you have to do is make sure that the ball and socket are lined up and push in. And the hood prop will not come out because that clip is there to prevent it from coming out. And that's how you install a hood prop on a 2018 Audi S5.